Holness, you know his name, is now the most honorable Brogad. Come on, you have to. Why are you? Okay, what happened?
Most honorable Brogad.
No, but why are you jumping up like that?
Man of the people.
Can I finish? The 47-year-old Holness, who appears to be gradually putting himself in the general election mode, changed his name on Twitter to the most honorable Brogad. It was for a brief moment, but the change was noticed by his throng of social media followers, many of whom approved. I wonder if it's him doing it or is his social media manager did that. Holness's temporary adjustment to his page follows a suggestion from Twitter users for him to use the title Most Honorable Brogad, a term used in the streets to refer to a male who commands maximum respect. Holness has long demonstrated an ability to connect with persons on social media, especially young people who follow popular culture closely. So he can connect with you on social media. Can he connect one-on-one with young people?
I think he has demonstrated the ability to. I think of the case with a young lady who has lupus, and she had tweeted to him and got some attention for.
Again, that's social media.
No, but he's gone to speak to her one-on-one.
Right, and I'm asking what his rapport is like with someone.
I mean, I assume he has a good rapport with young people because his social media team is quite young. There are quite a few young people around him, so I guess he understands to an extent because he's not like our grandparents. He's like a parent. Yeah, he's right in between that line. A parent and a parent. And he is a parent, but it's not that parent.
No, that's what I mean. Like, that's where I'd put him.
But he's the type of parent where you feel like you can relate to him because he understands certain issues that young people are dealing with. And that's how it seems. That's how it comes across. So I really feel even because he has to approve all these things that go out on social media.
Right.
So now I think he understands the climate.
I wonder why I'm changing it back.
No, I mean, yeah, and then he took it out.
Oh, it was a hashtag.
No. It was his name first.
Okay.
And it was a hashtag, but he took it out. And again, because he's.
That's what I'm saying. I wonder why he took it out.
I think because of his position as the Prime Minister. The name Andrew Holness is recognized on Twitter. Because his page is verified and all them stuff. So sometimes when you do change your name on Twitter, you can lose the verification.
Oh, okay.
So that's
well, then him can put it underneath. Big up yourself. That was kind of cool.
Yeah, it was
kind of cool.
Yeah, it's the power of how social media is these days. Because I was watching, I think, the Junior School Challenge quiz this week, and they asked a question about Rihanna's nationality, and the kids, I mean, they were confused.
They never said Rihanna's Jamaican.
They did. They were confused between Barbados and Jamaica.
Them should have win. Them should have get the point because we done take her already.
But in my mind, I was like, look at that, and that
social media has done that.
And it was just a week. So imagine what can be done when you use social media on a grand scale. Yeah. It's a big deal, man.
Cool.
Big up yourself, Honorable Brogad. Okay, so a hijab Muslim team was disqualified in a race over her hijab in a Division 1 Northwest District cross-country meet in Ohio. Noor Alexandria Abukaram has been competing in races for years, but this is the first time she faced prejudice. When the 16-year-old finished her greatest race to date at a 5K run at her local district meet, her time and her name weren't listed.
Wow.
So she finished with a personal best of 22 minutes and 22 seconds, which is quite fast for a 16-year-old. And when the teen was asked, when she asked the official why wasn't her time and everything registered, they said her hijab violated the uniform policy and that she had to be disqualified. So to add insult to injury, her personal best was never considered. And it's after we spoke, I think it was last week, a week before. I think it was last week about the women in Iran being allowed into the stadium after 41 years. That was a huge step, and now to come back to this, we take a huge step back. And I saw a video about some young women playing football. The young lady, her hijab came off, and all the ladies, they huddled around her so she put it back on. So it just shows that we're ahead in some places, and we're behind in some places.
But I always thought that we had a non-discriminatory policy. As in, we don't discriminate against age, race, sexual, gender, religion.
And I think
and that is her religion. And I know that Nike actually has a hijab.
Yeah, that's what she had on.
So if I don't understand how that could have been possible.
Yeah, it was a little bit more malicious, but
that doesn't read.
It doesn't sit well with me because of the stance all these sporting brands, Nike especially, has taken against discrimination, racism, all these things. So I'm sure it's gonna, it won't be the end of that.
It says she was wearing her regular race gear comprising black Nike leggings and Under Armour top with a team jersey and the Nike hijab. So if she was wearing something that she normally wears, and then the thing is, right, them know that she entered the race from before. Them could have did say to her, hey, you know, policy says that we don't, and then she could have chosen to do it, or she could have sued them, which I would have done.
Yeah, but I think that's not the end of the story, though. I think more will come out.
It's gonna happen.
All right,
Something else big. Ba ba bam.
You said big? You said something else big?
Stop that. I didn't mean that. You're disgusting.
It's what you said.
Adele has had incredible weight loss. Now, everybody who is a fan of Adele, me, knows that Adele was a nice, thick girl. Well, Adele went missing from the eyes for a while, and then when she came back, padow, my girl is slim and trim. She swapped tears for sweat, she says, in a candid social media post. She looks slimmer than ever. She had on a stunning off-the-shoulder dress. However, shedding the pounds has never been a priority for her, she says. She always insisted that she wasn't insecure about her weight. After her appearance in shooting a film, after shooting in Fame in 2008. Yeah, she actually refused to work with anybody who has an issue with her size. So, in other words, she'll tell them, say, look here, now this is my size and this is it. But you know, she always was singing through all her hurt, and it looked like she really did decide, hey, I done hurting now, I got gym.
She put the hurt in her music.
Yeah, and she did that.
I like when she put the hurt in her music still.
It comes out so good though.
Yeah, man. Like, I remember somebody said to me, I can't wait for Adele's next heartbreak. I'm
Jeez.
like, brother, what? It's like, yo, she made the best
That's
music.
so mean.
I mean, I love her music. I love her music. And the man said, yo, brother, I can't wait until she gets her next heartbreak. Because she was with, I don't remember who it was. I think it was John Mayer.
Whoever she did
He said he wanted John Mayer and her to get together. Because when they break up,
the two of them will sing some incredible music. You're a terrible person, whoever said that.
But I mean, it's
she
just,
looks great.
yeah, she's just telling women and people, you can take charge of your life. You don't have to subject yourself to what other people say. If I want to be fat, I'll be fat. If I want to lose weight, I'll lose weight.
You know what I want everybody to be? Healthy.
Yeah.
That's what I want you to do. Be healthy.
Healthy.
Be healthy. Once you are healthy, that's awesome.
Which work you go dresser? Not jeans sponsored.
Guys, this is a part of the show. Just wait now.
Why you come on work with this?
Guys, that's all for trending topics this morning. If you have to tell us what you feel, please go to social media, as we know the strength of social media this morning, and tell us how you feel on all our social media platforms. We're going to get into the 9 to 5 realness in just a bit. We'll be right back.